Muslim, the things I say, in everything I...
Okay everyone, do you want to drink?
Yes, I want.
Okay, before you drink, please recite hadis keberkahan di pagi hari.
Allahumma barik fi ummati fi bukuriha.
Oh Allah, bless my ummah in its early mornings. Ya Allah, berkatilah umatku
Pada waktu pagi. Hadis riwayat Ahmad. Hadis riwayat Ahmad.
Okay, let's have your drink everyone.
Every day we are Muslims, the things we say, in everything we do every day. Ooh, Bismillah. Honey, don't drink in you stand. It is better to sit when you drink. That's right, honey. Why I cannot do that? Because in Hadith, Prophet Muhammad taught us to sit when we drink, and that behavior is not good for our health. Let's recite the hadith together. La yashrabanna ahadukun qa'iman. Janganlah kamu minum sambil berdiri. Thank you, friend, for reminding me. You're welcome, Hanin. Alhamdulillah. Bismillah. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. I am a Muslim and thus I know I need to eat so that I will grow. We are Muslims and thus we know.